Hi, I'm Barbara Coward, and I'm here with a weather report of the MBA admissions process. So last week, Harvard Business School released its decisions for round 2 for interviews. And suffice to say, a lot of applicants were left out in the cold. It felt like a really frigid Arctic blast, much like the condition of our country right now with the dip, as you can see, in temperatures across a big section of the country. But here's the thing. I don't want, if you had a disappointing result, I don't want you to feel frozen in your tracks. First of all, disappointment hurts. There is some research that says that rejection activates the same part of the brain as physical pain. So acknowledge that. It doesn't feel great. But the nice thing, much like the winter, is that it's not the end of the season. There are more seasons coming on ahead. So there are things you can do. And I have worked with people who have applied twice, 3 times even, and have been successful in another cycle or with another school. So again, if you didn't get the news that you were hoping for, or as the results kind of roll out this for round 2, if you are disappointed, feel that pain, it's real, but then also know that it isn't the end of the road for you, right? Rejection can be transformed to another purpose and for a better outcome that you might not even be aware of yet. I've seen that with people that ended up at a better fit for them after their number one choice didn't work out. So anyway, hope this is some warming advice as you brace yourself for the chill of the outcomes in round 2. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.